Baby, we can talk all night, but that ain't getting us nowhere. The snow is really piling up outside. I wish you wouldn't make me leave here. I poured it on and I poured it out. I tried to show you just how much I cared. I'm tired of words and I'm too hoarse to shout. But you've been cold to me so long, I'm crying icicles instead of tears. And all I can do is keep on telling you I want you. I need you, but there ain't no way I'm ever gonna love you. Now don't be sad.
Don't be sad.
2 out of 3 ain't bad. Don't be sad, Weenie Mooshan. 2 out of 3 ain't bad.
Get out of here.
Can you imagine what a horrible thing that is to say to somebody?
I know, huh?
Listen, lady, I want you. I need you. But there ain't no way I'm ever gonna love you. Love. Love is a strong word. Meatloaf. What a great album.
Yeah, huh?
Bat out of hell. Like a bat out of hell, I'll be gone when the morning comes. When the night is over, like a bat out of hell,
I'll be gone.
I'll be gone. So yeah, how you doing? Welcome back to the show.
BOOZHOO.
Before we get started, I think I'll start with just a little prayer.
Huh?
This is the Serenity Prayer,
Oh,
also known as the the drunk's favorite prayer. Anyway, the Serenity Prayer in OJIBWE Moen. Gettin manado. Taka we duka wishin. We niji. Nana good wendaman. Geodapanaman. Inu gagashki kadosiwan. Ji anji sadoyan. Jite apachite ayan. Ji anji sadoyan. Gagashki katoyan. Ji te apachite nibwakeyan. Jikendaman ono. Megwach getche manado. Megwach bizandawieg.
oh, what?
And then put out your tobacco. You know, for some people in the old way, that would be when you'd light your pipe. Send your prayer up on the smoke. But you don't have to smoke it. You can put a little pinch of tobacco out in a tree if you like.
Mm-hmm.
Or you can just say that, you know. Get on your knees. But, you know, getting sober and staying sober, it's not easy for people. Life is tough. So sometimes people try to drown it out. Ain't that right, sweetie?
Yeah, huh?
So yeah, that was today's OJIBWE language lesson. Do you have do you have addictions you're wrestling with? You know, it isn't just alcohol.
Mm-hmm.
Some people are addicted to drugs. Some people are addicted to smoking cigarettes. Some people are addicted to sugar and fat and grease and salt. You know, some people deal with their sorrow with food. It's a tough old world, all right. What am I talking about? Anyway, if you're struggling Or even if you're not, if you're on the red road, if you're walking the good walk, I wanna say, respect.
Mm-hmm.
And I wish you the best of luck.
Yeah.
And if you fell off the wagon last night, I want to wish you the best of luck.
Right.
You can always start over. That's the great thing about mornings. So you screwed up yesterday. Start over. Pretend today is a new day, because it is.
Yeah, huh?
All right. Well, hey. Sweetie, you want to send us out?
Sure.
GOFUNDME. Minowa.
Hey, everybody. Just want to say, miigwech GOFUNDME. Thank you for watching BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha. This is NANABOOZHOO. Oh, he's so cute. And I will see you again. GOFUNDME. Minowa. Oh. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like the show, a thumbs down if you hate the show, and if you'd like to support the show, click the link in the description. All right, GOFUNDME. Minowa. Oh. What now?
I don't know. Should we make some breakfast?
Yeah, it's a good idea. You want some eggs?
Sure.